Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the free pen tool combined with the warping of shapes to make like your own custom shapes. So here we go. Continue on from before, I'm going to use the free pen tool. So you're going to use this tool right here, click and hold, and then you're going to see the free pen tool, which is right there. We're going to use pen tool another day, but free pen tool, click on that. Okay, it's a much more powerful tool, but I'm keeping you the basics right now. So I'm going to draw something like a heart. All right. Like so. Okay, amazing, right? Right. But anyways, I'm going to click on that layer for the heart. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to edit, go to free transform, and then I can manipulate this by warping this shape into the way I want it to look. Like so. See that? I can keep warping this to make it a prettier shape. So this is how you combine using the free pen tool to create something that you kind of want to see and then warp it into what you actually want to see. Okay? All right, on to the next video.